Namaskar, Orpita, once again in front of you with cotton sarees. Today I'll show you on mix and match cotton sarees, okay? So let's go, let me show you the sarees. Saree number 1. Block with handloom, pure handloom patches and ajrak patches, okay? Saree number 1. Pure 100% cotton saree. This is the achol, palla part. This is a one pure Mangalgiri, pure Mangalgiri cotton fabric, and this fabric is ajrak, okay? And this is the whole saree designed with simple hand block, having 2 different patches. These 2 are different patches has been attached, and this is the block portion. Saree number 1, you will get a blouse piece with this. This is the blouse piece of the saree. Okay. Saree number 1, this is the rest half, and it is priced 2800. This is 100 count cotton Dhunekhali Tangai, and the price is 2800. Saree number 2. This is the palla part. You will get two borders has been attached on both side. The upper one is Mangalgiri cotton, and this one is ikat, pure ikat fabric with blocks. In Bengali, this is Shohoj part design, and you will get a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece you will get with this saree. Saree number 2, and this is also priced 2800. This is the rest half. Okay. Saree number 3. This is also another Shohoj part, but there's difference in color. The fabrics which has been used in this saree is costly fabric, okay? Ikat with Bagru print. This is also one Shohoj part design. This is the blouse piece you will get with this saree. Okay. And this is the rest half. This is also priced 2800. Bondura, COD facilities available within Kolkata and places attached surroundings Kolkata. You will get COD facility. Otherwise, you have to send money through all online transfer you have to do, and I'll send the saree through courier. This is saree number 4. This half portion 2.75 centimeters, 2.75 meter saree, Kantha stitch has been done. The color is mint green upon which Kantha stitch has been done, and rest 2.75 meter block has been done. Okay, in Dhunekhali Tangai. You will get a blouse piece attached with this saree. This is the beginning part. These are all Dhunekhali Tangai friends, and you will get a blouse piece with this saree. This is the blouse piece. upon which katha stitch has been done in the sleeves. Okay, sari number 4 and it is priced 2400. Sari number 5. Similar pattern sari but the design and color is different. This is sari number sari number 5. Half sari katha has been done in this way. It's an ochre yellow color. We'll get a blouse piece. We'll get a blouse piece with this sari. Katha has been done in the sleeves. And this is the wrist half where block has been done. Sari number 5 and it is also priced 2400. Okay. Now moving to sari number 6. The first part, this is the palla part. And 2.5 centimeter has been, katha has been done in this way. You will get a blouse piece where katha has been done. This is the blouse piece you will get with this sari. Okay, and this is the wrist half. Block, a wonderful block has been done. Price is 2400. Sari number 7. This is yellow colored, yellow and white. Comfortable, ভীষণ আরাম পাবেন। না কিন্তু দেখাচ্ছি না। This is the palla part. Mustard yellow in color. 2.5 meter is katha has been done in this way. You will get a blouse piece with this. Designed in this way. এইভাবে দেখিয়ে দিই। Yeah, this is the blouse piece. Get the design in both the sleeves. You will get this katha work done, and this is the wrist half. The block is done. It horizontally the block has been done. Very nice sari. Sari number 7 and it is priced 2400. Okay. Sari number 8. সরস্বতী পূজা is knocking at a door, 5th February. দেখুন পলাশ ফুল দিয়ে করা হয়েছে পেইন্টিং উইথ কাঁথা। পেইন্টিং উইথ কাঁথা। This is the palla part. ভীষণ সুন্দর, যেমন পেইন্টিং neatly done, তেমন কাঁথাটা is also neatly done with sequence in between. Price is 2700. এটা কত রঞ্জনের শাড়ি? হ্যাঁ 8 নম্বর না থেকে 12 2700. Okay, and this is the rest half. This saree doesn't have any blouse piece. কোনো blouse piece দেওয়া হয়নি. Wear a red blouse, you will look very nice, or you can wear a toshor blouse like I am wearing. This is the rest half. Okay, price is 2700. Saree number 9. Another painting with katha. এটাও সরস্বতী পুজোতে পড়তে পারবেন, ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে। Lotus with ducks, lotus leaf. Painting upon which katha has been done and sequence has been fitted in between. Okay, this is saree number 9 and it is priced 2700. This is the rest half. 2700. Okay, saree number 10. Another Alpona, hand painted Alpona saree, very smart. This is the palla part. Price is 2700. Wear a black blouse. This saree also doesn't have any blouse piece, and this is the rest half. Okay, price is 2700. Saree number 11. Saree number 11. Another Dhunekhali Tangai. As because this saree doesn't have any woven border on both sides, the price is 2500. This is also a hand painted saree upon which katha stitch has been done with sequence embedded inside in between. A lovely piece, Bishon Shundu, wonderful piece. This is saree number 11 and it is priced 2500. Because the price of the basic fabric is much more lesser than the border ones. Okay, that's the reason this is priced 2500. Okay, now moving to saree number 12. A pista green colored Dhunekhali Tangai with a weaving border, orange and green border. There is no use of black. Kono kalo shuto has been, no black color or black thread has been used. A wonderful motif, dekho, birds, small birds, hand painted saree upon which katha work has been done. Okay, please show the lower border very nice intricately. Okay, and this is the rest half. Friends, this border is not black. Okay, it's a dark bottle green color and orange. Two different color border has been used. Ekhana dekhao, two different color border has been used, one bottle green and orange one. Okay, this is the rest half and it is priced 2700. Saree number 13. This is one Ajrak, pure Ajrak fabric, mix and match saree, the saree which I am wearing. Okay, this is it. Dekho, this is the saree and this is the palla part. Nothing very simple but very smart, and a hakoba lace has been attached on both sides. Okay, similar, this is also another saree with ajrak fabric. ভীষণ সুন্দর, ভীষণ স্টাইলিশ, পিওর কটন শাড়ি। This is the palla part. This portion is palla part. 1 meter is palla. দেখুন একটু আনইউজুয়াল শাড়িগুলো, ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে। You will get a I will give a blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. ভীষণ সুন্দর, পুরোটা আজরাক ফ্যাব্রিকে করা, পিওর হ্যান্ড আজরাক। And this is the rest half. Price is 3700. I'll show you 2 pieces. Okay. This is my new concept. This is saree number 13. Price is koto bolon na 3700. Saree number 14. I have made only these 2 sarees. This is my new design, new concept. This is another ajrak saree. This is the palla part with indigo. A katha stitch, all over katha stitch has been done, okay? A katha stitch embroidered palla, indigo. The fabric is indigo upon which katha stitch has been done, and this is the base with ajrak. And this is the blouse piece. I'll give you this blouse piece, similar to the palla. Price is 3700. ভীষণ সুন্দর, খুব comfortable fabric. It's very very comfortable, friends. Not heavy. It's very comfortable. Okay. This is the rest half. This is also priced 3700. Okay. Now I'm moving to saree number 15. এই হাকো ব্লাউজটা কোথায় রেখেছিস? This is saree number 15. This is the palla part with hakuba palla. Okay, a wonderful ki color bolbo, faded olive green color, a weaving fabric. These are all hand woven fabric. ফ্যাব্রিকটাকেই আমরা সাজিয়েছি, থানগুলোকেই সাজিয়েছি শাড়ি হিসেবে, and a hakoba lace has been attached on both side, and you will get a hakoba blouse piece with this. Okay, this is saree number 15 and it is priced 2950. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is ochre yellow bolbo Randana. It's very lemonish green type saree. Wonderful color. Color ta bhishon sundor. Okay. Price is 2950. Saree number 16. সরস্বতী পুজোতে এই শাড়িগুলো পরতে পারেন, অন্য রকম লাগবে দেখতে। This is the palla part. Fabric is same, there's only the difference in the print. This is the whole saree. This is the palla part. Palla print is different. Okay, and you will get a blouse piece with this, a hakoba blouse piece you will get. Okay, this is the lace, a wonderful hakoba lace has been attached on both sides. Okay, this is the rest half and this is also priced 2950. This is also priced 2950. Okay, saree number 17. It is more or less similar to saree number 15. But the booties are different and the palla is different. This is the palla part. and this is the whole base. These are all hand woven booties. Okay, you will get a blouse piece, Hakoba blouse piece with this sari. Okay, and this is the rest half. Price is 2950. Something new I am showing. Friends, I think you are liking the saris. Now I will show you another design. This is the new one, sari number 18. With checks. Those who are fond of checks, you can select this very nice one. Very black. This is the palla part with orange palla. This is the base with checks. Very stylish sari. Very stylish. Blouse piece dikhao. Okay, and these are pure ikkat. This one is also ikkat. Eta dekho, this is also ikkat, and this fabric is also pure ikkat. If when you get the sari in your hand, you can feel that these are all pure ones. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is also priced 2950. This is black with orange. Very stylish. Okay. Sari number 19, maroon with purple. Similar saris, I will show you 4 colors. Purple with maroon. This is the palla part with purple palla. And this is a maroon border you will get on both sides. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Look, this is the concept. In fact, you will look very nice. It's a very stylish sari, very stylish. This is the rest half. Sari number 19, price is 2950. Sari number 20. This is yellow with black. If you want, I can give you a yellow blouse also. It's upon you. This is the palla part. If you want, you can get this similar blouse piece, but I have given this black one. কোনো বন্ধুদের যদি মনে হয় যে আমি ইয়েলো ব্লাউজটাও নেব, ইয়েলো ব্লাউজটা দিয়ে দেবো, কিন্তু আমি এই শাড়ির সাথে ব্ল্যাক ব্লাউজ দিয়েছি। চয়েস ইটস আপন ইউ, লেট মি নো, অ্যাকর্ডিংলি আই উইল সেট দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস। দিস ইজ সারি নাম্বার 20 অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ অলসো প্রাইসড 2950। ওকে, আবার ডান দিকটা তুলে দিয়েছিস। ওকে, সারি নাম্বার 21, দিস ইজ ব্ল্যাক উইথ মারুন। This is the palla part. খুব স্টাইলিশ, নাথিং, কিছুই নেই কিন্তু অনেক কিছু আছে। পরার পরে বুঝতে পারবেন শাড়িটা কত স্টাইলিশ। ওকে, this is the saree. After wearing it, you will look very nice. You will look different. Okay, this is saree number 21 and it is priced 2950. This is the rest half. Okay, friends, today I have shown you 21 lovely pieces of cotton sarees. Okay, if you are liking my sarees, please send me the screenshot. Friends, বন্ধুরা উইদিন কলকাতা বা কলকাতার আশেপাশে যারা সিওডি ফ্যাসিলিটি নিতে চান, আমার সিওডি ফ্যাসিলিটি আছে, তো আপনারা শাড়ি পারচেস করুন। আর যাদের পক্ষে সম্ভব শপে আসুন। এখন সাবধানতা অবলম্বন করে থাকতে হবে। যখনই আমার শুটিং শেষ হয় সঙ্গে সঙ্গে মাস্ক পরে নেবো, সুতরাং আপনারা যখন আসবেন আমরা সবাই মাস্ক পরেই থাকবো। প্রপার স্যানিটাইজেশন করা হচ্ছে, তো চলে আসুন। নর্মাল লাইফ লিড করতে হবে। আর কিছু বলার নেই। আজকের মতো নমস্কার।